In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a password to Google Play Store. By the end, you will have extra protection on every app and in-app purchase. Start by opening the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Look for the multicolored play icon, usually on your home screen or in the app drawer. When it opens, you should see the main Play Store page, with tabs like apps or games along the bottom or top. If what you see looks different from the rest of your Android apps, you are in the right place. Now tap your profile picture in the top right corner. This is the small circular icon that usually shows your Google account image or a colored letter. When you tap it, a menu slides down from the top. You will see options like Manage Apps and Device, Notifications, and other account-related entries. This profile menu is where Google puts most of the account and payment controls for the Play Store. From there, tap Payments and Subscriptions. On many phones, this sits a few lines below the top of the menu. When you select it, a new screen opens focused only on money-related settings. You will see sections for payment methods, budget and history, and subscription management tools. Being on this screen confirms that you are in the right area to control how purchases are handled on your device. Next up, tap Purchase Verification, or it might be called Verification Requirement or Verification Frequency. Which exact label you see depends on your Play Store version, so read carefully and pick the one that mentions verification. Once you tap it, a panel or screen appears showing choices related to how often the Play Store asks you to verify before it charges your account. If nothing opens, tap the option again to make sure the touch registered. At this point, choose your preferred verification option. You will usually see for all purchases, which is recommended to stop surprise charges, and sometimes every 30 minutes if it is available on your version. For all purchases means the Play Store will ask for verification every single time, even for cheap in-app items. Every 30 minutes means that once you verify, you can make more purchases for the next half hour without being asked again. Beginners often pick every 30 minutes without realizing that kids or other users could still make several purchases in that time window. So think about who uses your device before you decide. After that, confirm the change using your Google account password, your device screen lock, or biometric verification, depending on what your device and region support. A prompt pops up asking for one of these methods. Enter your Google password only in that official prompt, never in any random pop-up. If your phone uses a fingerprint or face unlock, you might just touch the sensor or look at the screen, and the setting will apply immediately once accepted. There is no extra save button, so as soon as the prompt disappears, your new purchase verification rule is active for this Google account on this device. You have now turned on password-style protection for purchases in the Google Play Store, making accidental or unauthorized buys much less likely. If this helped you lock down Play Store purchases, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple Android guides.